So you grab their sander and the sanding disc. I'm at 240 right now. And the stack I got goes up to 7,000. So yeah, it's gonna be a hot minute. You just go over it like you did with the last one and just keep getting it smoother and smoother and smoother. With finer sandpaper is higher number. The higher the number, the finer the grit. And then you just keep going over it. And so on and so forth with all the grits that you get. You don't have to go to 7,000, but if you want it smooth before you polish it, then 7,000 is a good idea.